A complete guide to fixing iMessage attachment download issues. Restart the internet connection. iPhone with Face ID, swipe from the top right corner. iPhone with the home button, swipe up from the bottom. Tap the airplane icon to enable the feature. Wait for a few seconds and turn it off. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Re-enable iMessage. Open the Settings app. Go to the Messages settings. Next to iMessage, toggle the switch to turn off the feature. Now restart your iPhone. Go back to the iMessage settings. Next to iMessage, toggle the switch to enable the feature. Check iPhone storage. Open the settings and select General. Tap iPhone storage. Wait for the data to load and check if you have enough storage to download the files in your messages. Reconnect to the iMessage server. In the Settings app, go to Messages. Select Send and Receive. Tap your Apple ID name next to Apple ID and choose Sign Out. After you sign out, tap Sign In, or select your Apple ID field and enter. Reopen the iMessage app. Go to the home screen and swipe up from the middle bottom for iPhones with Face ID. For iPhones with the home button, double press it. Locate the Messages app and swipe up to force quit it. Now open the Messages app again. Resync iMessage. Open Settings and tap your Apple ID name. Select iCloud and tap Show All. Navigate to Messages in iCloud. Then, turn off Use on this iPhone. Confirm the action by selecting Disable and Download Messages. Turn the Use on this iPhone option again. Restart your iPhone. Restarting the operating system can help clear any temporary glitches or bugs affecting your device's performance. If you're experiencing issues with Tap to Download not working, it's worth trying to restart your iPhone and see if that resolves the problem. Reset network settings. In the Settings app, go to General. Scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. Update your iPhone. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.